Hello guys, this is Anish and today I am going to share about what's the benefit of learning English. As you know that English is an international language and for this means suppose that if we are going in a foreign country, so we need a regional language of there. Like if we are going to China, so we need the Chinese language. Yeah, we also need English. So if we have the knowledge of English, so we can speak to them and we can fulfill our dream there as well. And if it's not possible to learn that language, Chinese language, so I think that we should learn English and we should choose English because according to me English is a very easy thing and by which we can express our feelings to those people who are from out of India. And you know that for making them understand we need English. So I think that English is most necessary language. Let's see how many benefits we get after learning English. So first one is, you know that we will get a lot of opportunities, means we will get a lot of career opportunity. You know, I mean to say that means career opportunity means we will get a lot of sectors where we can earn and make money. You know that for making money it would be very difficult for those people who are not who have learned only 10th. But if you have learned knowledge of English in 10th as well, if you are in 10th, so if you have knowledge of English, so I think that you can make money while teaching some student. You also can means you also become like a tutor of anyone, not tutor, translator of anyone, because by this thing you can earn money. And you know that all the international companies, they are the need of English. Without English, if you are going to take any kind of job in there, so I think that you will never get any kind of you will never get any kind of job there. So I mean to say that you will also get career opportunity. And the second thing is that suppose that if not suppose, you know that there will be a lot of videos and movies in our in our data, means in our phones. So it would be only in English, means some movies and some cartoons are in English, so it's not possible to see watch that videos and listen that songs. So you know that if we have knowledge, if we can speak, so definitely we can watch that videos, we can get all the meanings. And you know that if we listen and if we watch any kind of movies, so there we get some kind of knowledge about those things. Like if anyone made any kind of film, so I think that he and they has made that movie on any they have based on one thing, and just because of it they have been making videos and movies. Third is that internet. You know about internet, here we only get a single word in English. As my knowledge, as far as know that English is means we only get English there. There will be no any a single word of Hindi. So just because of it, if we are not able to understand English, so how can we read that things? How can we read that sentences and how can we understand? You know, in internet we can get a lot of kind of contact and a lot of kind of information about something. If you are not able to understand, if you are not able to read, if you are not able to express that thing to anyone, so I think that for you it's only a garbage. It's type of garbage. And if you are able to speak, if you are able to read, and if you are able to express your feelings to anyone, so I think that it would be gold. It's gold. I can say for those people who can speak English. And the fourth thing is that it makes easy other language. You know, suppose that earlier I also have said you that if we go anywhere, so there we need regional language of there. You know, after learning English, I think that I can speak with anyone. I can speak in the front of anyone, but I am still learning. It doesn't matter. But I know that I can speak with the front of anyone. You know, and after means as I said that if we go anywhere, so there we need a lot of knowledge of their regional language, but it's not possible to get the information and knowledge of their regional language, but it's possible to we can get the knowledge of English. So I think that Germanic and Francic and Romanic language, I think those are means those language vocabulary are similar to English. So I think that English is very good compared than those languages, because English is the only one language by which means English is only one thing that in the whole world people speak, and people can understand, and people can explain in English. And the fourth thing is that, not fifth thing is that it makes you smarter. As a research, the scientists find that learning a new language, it's means learning a new language, it will give you a sharp mind, and you will become healthy from your thinking power. And you know that after learning English, we will get the good personality in the front of people, because if we know English and they don't know, so I think that they will give respect to us. So that's it. So bye bye guys.